Hello everybody and welcome to Excel Made Easy. I'm your guru, Excel Guru, and today I'll be telling you about a new formula of Excel called replace. Well, it's a wonderful formula and it can do wonders. I'll show you. I have taken an example over here. This is the original text that I have, and this is the start position from which I would like to replace the values. The start position refers to a number assigned to the relative position of the character you want to replace. For example, the start position I've taken 2, which would be y over here, my. Y is the second character over here. We have to keep in mind that space, dots, special characters would be and numbers, alphabets would be counted as one position. And this is characters to replace. That how many characters would you like to replace? I will explain this in detail as we move along. And this is the character by which the old character would be replaced. Let us see how does it work. Is equal to replace. It's asking for old text. So this is the old text, or you may call it the original text, and it wants the start number. That means from which position do you want to start replacing the data. So I want to replace y, so which is position number 2. I can either type in 2 or I can choose this cell, either which way, comma. Now it says numchar, means how many characters would I like to replace? Well, as of now, I would just like to replace y, which is only one character. Either I can choose this cell or I can type in 1, comma, and it is asking for the new text. Let's replace y with x. Close the bracket, press enter, and see, myelesson.org has become mexelesson.org. This is a very, very good formula, a very powerful one. Okay, I'll show you another example. Is equal to replace, original text, comma, start number again, we'll keep it 2. This time I'll type in 2 over here. And number of characters which I want to replace, I would like to replace 5 characters, which would be YELES. So I'll again type 5 over here, and I would like to replace it by X. So again, I'll hard code the formula, which is not a very good thing, because the formula should always be relative, so that whenever you change this, the formula automatically changes. So, see, myelesson.org has become mexon.org. And now I'll be replacing the y with hello. Even the y character would be asking, why are you replacing me? Y is asking why. Just a joke. Okay, now we'll do this replacement. Replace old text. Start number again. This time I'll not hard code the formula, I'll do relative referencing. This is called relative referencing. And number of characters to be replaced 1, and by what? By this. See, it has become hellolesson.org. And I'll now replace 5 characters by hello. See, REP, old text, character to replace, starting number, comma, character to replace, start number, num characters, how many characters do I want to replace and by what. Press enter and you have your answer over here. See, now this Excel file that you're looking at in this video is available for free download on my website, myelesson.org. Just go there and download this file, and you can watch hundreds of videos over there on so many other categories. Do not forget to share the video with your friends. Well, now this is your Excel Guru signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Happy Excel learning.